Microsoft Excel has a great function out. It is called REGEXEXTRACT. What it does is extracts whatever you want to from a text string. It can be text or it can be numbers. In this example, I'm only going to use it with numbers. I'll come back with another video on using it with text. What we have over in column A is a list of people with their 10-digit phone number, including the area code first. I want to pull out just the 10-digit phone number. In this example, I could use the TEXTAFTER function because of the way they're set up, but what you're going to see in 1 second and why I love REGEXEXTRACT is you may have data like I have over in column A where the number isn't always in the exact same place and I need to extract the number. So let me start off with the easy one first, pulling out the phone number, area code and phone number from here. Bonus tip, in cell C1, I have the REGEXEXTRACT, what is covered in it, all the arguments. In cell C2, I've got the actual function I'm going to use. Down below there, I've got argument 2 explained, so I can keep this video short about why I'm using 0 through 9, the plus symbol, the parentheses. Finally, over to the far right is the third argument, which is either 0, 1, or 2. I'm going to use 1 in this example. So here we go, A11. Let's pull out just the area code and phone number. My formula completion in Excel is automatically trying to pick up the Excel function for me, and it's actually correct, except it picked A10. And it needs to be A2. I'm just going to press enter. I'm going to take it, edit the function up the top here in the formula bar, make it A2. And there is that 10-digit phone number right there. Pull this down. And those are all correct. Now, in case you're wondering what exactly did it do, the first argument's required. I'm pulling from cell A2, so that's the easy one. Argument 2, look at my notes here. I'll leave this in this file, which you can download. Just so you know this, if I tweak this just a second to show you this, let's do this. This is going to give me just the area code. There you go, right there. If I wanted just the area code, that's what I could do. I'm going to undo that, put it back the way it was. So you can see that argument 2 contains a lot of information. That plus symbol means add on or conclude the previous item. I'm including the parentheses, and I'm picking up the rest of the phone number. Now, the +1 in this example was not required. The argument about return mode, I could have done the default, which happens to be a 0. Let me just change it to that, and it would work right here. There's a 0. I changed it from a 1 to a 0. In case you're wondering, what does that 1 do that I had in there before? If this person in A2, which happens to be me, let me just throw in quickly, I now have 2 phone numbers in cell A2, but if you notice, it's only returning 1 in cell A11. If I change return mode, there are your 3 options. To the number 1, I'm saying do all matches. Let me make it a 1. When I press enter, that second area code and phone number will spill over into column B. So another great feature about REGEXEXTRACT. Let me just go back here though and edit A2 and lose this second phone number. Now we're back here. All right, REGEXEXTRACT. Now, as a bonus, I said you could do this with TEXTAFTER. I'm looking for between Chris and Menard is 1 space, between Menard and where the area code is space number 2, and they all follow this. So if I do equal TEXTAFTER, and I've done plenty of videos on TEXTBEFORE and TEXTAFTER, cell A2, what is my delimiter? It is a space, comma, what instant number am I looking for? I'm looking for the second space, so I would do a 2 here. Now this works right here. Get the exact same results. Another advantage before I do the really advanced one of REGEXEXTRACT in this example is what if I had up here If I change A2 to Chris A. Menard, now the spacing is messed up. REGEXEXTRACT is still correct. The TEXTAFTER is incorrect. So another advantage of REGEXEXTRACT. Let me just undo because I'm going to share this file with you. That works. Watch this. Are you ready? Example number 2, I've already filled this in, but down below here in cell B9 to B14, these came from Microsoft's support website regarding REGEXEXTRACT. I need to pull out the number from the data in A2 to cell A6. If you notice, only 3 cells actually have a numerical number: 400, 345, and 200 units. I intentionally put the numbers in different places: the beginning, the end, and in the middle. So text before and text after definitely are not working here. But here is REGEXEXTRACT. I'm pulling from cell A2, and again, in quotations, what are you looking for? I'm looking for numbers. I need to use that plus symbol again. This time, I did use the last argument, the number 1. So here we go. Autofill this down. I should get 345. Watch this, the 200, perfect. I should get nothing in the next 2. Actually, I'm getting an error message. Pound NA, excellent. Great function, REGEXEXTRACT. By the way, bonus tip, I would probably throw an IFERROR function in here also. I'm assuming this is going to work, comma. Value IFERROR, no numbers. Autofill that down, and there you go right there. There is your Excel function, REGEXEXTRACT, including an IFERROR message at the beginning. Great function. I hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to go visit my blog post. The link to the blog post will be down below in the description. Along with my blog post will have this file already filled out for you. Feel free to click in here and go learn yourself how to do these. I appreciate your time. My training is available online. Have a wonderful day.